Hi guys, how are you all?
Good.
Good.
Good. Good. Good.
Shrestha, how are you?
Good.
I'll have my video in a minute. Shubham, welcome back. I missed you, right?
Thank you.
Netra, how was the homework, ma?
The homework was good, but I just have a few more questions left because it was like a lot.
Too
So
much?
I just,
Okay.
I'll finish it today and I'll send it to you. I'm sorry.
As long as you do, I'm happy. Pranav, how was the homework? Was it tough or easy?
It was easy.
Hmm. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Did you have any? Okay, you had some questions, Netra?
With my homework, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I had for the first one. I mean, the second homework. I had a question on number 15.
1 minute, ma. Exactly 1 minute. Zach. 1 second. Zach is in here?
No, I don't think so.
He's not here.
Okay. Shiv, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Johan is here. Inian, are you here?
Yes, auntie.
Huh, good. Okay. So let's go back to our classroom. Give me 1 minute. Okay. G78. Okay. Johan, did you have any questions on the homework? You had a couple of homework this week, right?
I didn't have any questions.
Oh, wow. Johan, are you finding this easy?
Yeah, most of it. Miss Priya,
Okay.
uh,
Yeah.
I went wrong somewhere and I know where I went wrong, but my homework was sent back to me. So I resubmitted.
Oh, okay. Makes sense. I see. Okay. Netra, your workout was very neat, but always try to show work as much as possible. Makes sense?
Yeah.
And Johan, just no answers, please, Johan. I need to see workout. Make sense, Johan?
Yeah.
If I don't see the workout, I will not grade and all. Okay, I'm just starting to see only the answers. That doesn't help at all. Okay, Shrestha, very nice workout, ma. Did you have any questions? Shubham, I didn't see your homework getting submitted. Nikita, where is your homework?
No,
I submitted mine.
I submitted one of them and I finished the other. I just need to scan it and submit it.
I have questions. Who is Sindhu?
I think
Who is
it's
Sindhu?
me.
Uh,
Okay,
Or
okay. Sindhu and Techlearn. Who is Techlearn?
oh yeah, that's me. That's my account name. Sorry, my dad named it.
Ah, okay. I see.
wait, Miss Priya, does Sindhu start with an S?
For yours, I know, ma.
Okay.
Not at all a problem. Okay, so that was the only thing that I wanted to confirm with you guys. Okay, so let me quickly send this out. Okay, Pranav, what happened to Pranav's homework? Pranav, did you have a question, Pranav?
No.
Okay, but I had more questions. That was one. coming to the next one, right? Real number system was a review. Okay. Okay. How about this rational numbers and a number line, right? Okay. Srihari, didn't you have the time to do?
I'm pretty sure I did all of it.
Okay. Netra, Nikita, I really want to see workout for everything. And Srihari, where is the PDF? Without the PDF, I cannot. I'm sorry. No. Submit it in one account. Shiv, you are submitting one day in TechLearn, one day in something else, is it? Or I don't see the PDF there. How can I grade it? You
Wait.
got it?
Yeah.
Wait, ma'am, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
By submitting it on different accounts, what do you mean by that?
If mom joins and one day he submits in his account, one day you submit in another account, it's very difficult to track.
Wait, is there two accounts? Is there one in my name and one in like Sindhu?
Not for you, Srihari. You're good. It is always in Sindhu. Makes
Oh,
sense?
okay. Yeah.
Johan, I've started seeing only answers from you. Does that mean you're getting bored with this or what is that? You were earlier giving out detailed.
It was kind of easy for me. It wasn't like too hard.
Wasn't kind. Okay. Okay. Pranav, how was it for you, Pranav?
Which one?
Homework.
It was good.
Okay. You're submitting TechLearn. Shiv, the problem is with yours.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
No problem at all. But do you? No. See, not at all a problem with me. I will have to tell that out to you so as to not to make the, because it's very difficult to track. You understand why, right, Shiv?
because like I was so for my 100 question homework that was submitted by my dad's account because I usually submit it by his phone, but he was busy one day, so I thought I wouldn't disturb him, so I just like downloaded the app and then I submitted from my iPad. And my iPad is the TechLearn account.
Oh, I see. But I wanted to be submitted hereafter from a single account. Does that sound like a plan?
Yeah, I'm gonna submit from my iPad from now on.
Okay, that is nice to know. Okay, so we studied something on integers and all that stuff, right? So today I really want to get going. Let's see. Okay, so we did last week we did rationals on a number line, all this stuff we did. Why don't we go ahead with this? Okay. Okay, let's do this one. Okay. You know what are rational numbers, right? All of you know what are rational numbers. Am I with you all?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So you know what are rational numbers. Any number that can be expressed in the format a by b as a fraction is a rational number, correct? And the thing is, even if it becomes a decimal like this, right? As long as it has a repetitive pattern where you are able to predict the pattern of repetition of decimals, then you are really good, meaning it is a rational number, it has some sanity to it, correct? Now, let's go ahead with this one. Suppose I give you that a worm can travel 13 centimeter in 4 seconds. A worm can travel 13 centimeter in 4 seconds. What is the rate of travel of the worm? What is this? Rate of travel or unit rate. What is the unit rate? Means the denominator, see, how can you write this? 13 centimeter in 4 seconds. 4 seconds is in the denominator. It's basically a fraction, 13 by 4, right? Denominator is seconds, 13 centimeter. So if you do this, you will get the answer. If your denominator is made equal to 1, then what happens? In 1 second, you will understand how long the worm traveled. That is unit rate. Wherever you go, unit rate means the denominator you are going to make it to a 1. So what I am doing, I am splitting that 13 centimeter into 4 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4 equal pieces. So each of it is 13 by 4, 13 by 4, 13 by 4, 13 by 4. This gives you how many centimeters it traveled for every second. Okay. Now, here, when you look at it, right, the worm traveled from here to here at the rate of 13 by 4 centimeter in 1 second. Another second passed, it traveled 13 by 4 centimeter. Another second passed, it traveled 13 by 4 centimeter. Another second passed, it traveled 13 by 4. So here the worm travels at 13 by 4 centimeter per second. So now we call this as the rate, right? Here, let's say, meaning in this case, right, that 13 by 4 is always a constant. See, for every second, it travels at that same rate. Now, do you know in physics, right, distance traveled equal to rate times time. Do you know about this? Do you know this in physics or no? Speed equal to distance by time.
Yeah.
Speed is the rate. Speed is the rate. Rate equal to
Yeah.
distance divided by time, or I can say distance equal to rate times time. So we are going to solve problems with D equal to RT problems. Okay. You see the rate. This is a constant. Do you see it? Now, this is called see here, when I have distance rate time, instead of saying all this, right, I can express it as y equal to k times x. The format is one and the same. Y represents d, k represents r, which is a constant. It keeps on, there is a constant, right? X represents time. X is your input variable, y is your output variable. That's what we studied in 6th grade, right? So if I compare to this, right, y equal to k times x. In this case, y and x, if y increases, k will increase. If distance increases, time will increase. If time decreases, distance decreases, right? So k increases, x will increase. Y reduces, x will reduce. This k, right, which is always a constant, is called. Now, before I call it out, right, the two variables, right, y and x are proportional to each other. What does it mean? If this gets multiplied by 2, this as well gets multiplied by 2. If this gets divided by 2, this gets divided by 2. So when both increase, when one increases, another increases. When one decreases, another decreases. So I can say that these two quantities, whatever it is, y or x or d or t, I would say they are proportional. Proportional. That means what? See, I can make two ratios. 13 centimeter in 4 second will be equal to in 1 second how many centimeter? See, basically this is distance by time. Here as well, I don't know what is the distance, but for 1 second, I'm trying to find the time. Meaning for 1 second, I'm trying to find the distance. Now, this is distance by time. Distance by time. So that is equal basically, whether it is 4 seconds or 1 second, the rate or the speed in which the worm travels is always the same. So I can create two ratios that are equal. When I create two ratios that are equal, I can call it as a proportion. Proportion means when one quantity increases, see, when the distance increases, time increases. Distance decreases, time decreases. Any questions? So proportional means any two quantities. Okay. Let's say, let me give you another example. Number of hours you study. Any two quantities in mathematics. Number of hours you study. Score you get. You study for 1 hour, you get 10 marks. Study for 2 hours, you get 20 marks. Study for 3 hours, you get 30 marks. Study for 10 hours, you get 100 marks. You see, this got multiplied by 2. This also got multiplied by 2. This got multiplied by 3. This also got multiplied by 3. Make sense? This got multiplied by 10. This got multiplied by 10. So here, what is the constant of proportionality?
1 to 10.
10?
Let's say this one. See, number of hours by score. 1 divided by 10 is equal to 2 divided by 20. What is the constant of proportionality? This is x, this is y. What is the relationship between x and y? Yes, you're right.
You
So the constant of proportionality is
10.
okay, y will be equal to x times 10 times 10 times 10. So y will be equal to kx. How y is related to x? What if you multiply with x, you'll get y. What number you multiply with x to get y? That is always a constant. Do you see? Always it's a 10. So the 10 is called your constant of proportionality. Make sense? The thing is, here I give you a table. When I give you a table, it's easy to find out the constant of proportionality. Okay. When I give you a verbal worm distance, so the constant of proportionality is easy to find, no doubt. How about this? How about this? What is the constant of proportionality in this case? You can use a calculator, but each of you, I want you to answer. There are two quantities, distance and time. Again, it follows the same principle, d equal to rt, or I can say y equal to kx. What is the constant of proportionality?
Do we type it in chat?
Yes.
Because I'm not able to send anything.
Why? Why you're not able to send anything?
You have to make it a direct
Oh,
message.
no, that's what I just did. But like, when I press the arrow thing to send, it does not work.
Hit
Still.
enter.
Okay.
Enter?
Hit the
Still.
keyboard. Yeah, try enter.
Oh, yeah, I have keyboard. Yeah. Wait,
Okay.
wait. Okay, thanks.
Yep.
Good. 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 Thank you. Nice, Srihari. Nikita, that's right. Sreshta, that's right.
Wait, I
Shiv,
thought that was Shubham.
Shubham, okay, Shubham, okay, yes. Yeah, see, Shubham and Srihari sound alike to me. I have to get more used to them, I think.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm typing in the answer. Thank you,
Shubham,
Shubham.
yeah, thanks. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, it's not working when I press enter. I don't know what's happening. Can I just
Okay,
shout?
can you reply to me? I sent you a chat message. Can you reply to me?
You did. Okay.
Go ahead, ma.
Wait, you
Shri,
didn't send anything. I'm so. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. I see.
Sreshta, correct, ma.
I
Srihari,
think.
did you get
Yeah.
it?
Okay.
Did you
Thank
get it?
you.
Wait, can you say that again? I didn't hear you.
I want to know what is the constant of proportionality in this table. What is the constant of proportionality for this table?
Wait, so should my answer be like this times this equals this? Should it be like that?
See, okay, Sri Hari, I told you, right? Take one. See, this is time, this is distance. If it is
Yeah.
d equal to rt, this is your constant of proportionality. Okay, if it is light, if it is y equal to kx, this is your constant of proportionality.
Yeah.
So now I want the k. I want k. Shiv, is that right? Can you check again, Shiv?
Okay.
Yeah, Srihari, I want an answer from you too.
Yeah, I just did it wrong, so I'm just redoing
That's
it.
okay, yeah. See, whether I give you a table or
This.
whether I give you a verbal description or I give you a graph or I give you an equation, you should be able to find my constant of proportionality. Srihari, what is the
Oh, sorry, my bad, my bad.
You have to be very, yes, Srihari. So what is the constant of proportionality, Srihari? That's correct.
Wait, so is it correct?
Yeah, that is correct. What is the
Oh,
constant of proportionality?
wait, so did I. Wait, what was the. Okay, never mind.
See, you can take these two quantities as x and y.
Yeah.
How did you get y? Y will be equal to what number times x? So, or how can you find out k? You can divide y by x.
Oh,
Y
yeah,
by
I did.
x. Right?
Yeah. Wait, so
So
did
what
I.
is it? 13 by 4, 19.5 by 6. You can take anything. It will always be the same. 6.5 by 2. Shiv, that is incorrect. 6.5 by 2 is what? 3 point. How many 2's go in 5? 2.
5.
Then
Yeah.
you have a 1 remainder. How many 2's go in 10? 3.25 is your constant of proportionality.
Wait, are you talking about my second answer or first answer?
Now only you sent 3.25. You gave me two answers already. Netra, good job.
Yeah.
Wait,
Okay.
Miss
Okay.
Priya, should
Yeah.
I, when I put my answer, should I just put as 3.25?
Yes. If you're
Oh,
asked for the
okay.
constant of proportionality, you should have given me 3.25.
Oh, okay.
The thing is, Nikita, Nikita send the answer, but I did not get an answer from Shubham. Are you following Shubham?
I sent my answer.
Uh, I did verify that you did not send, but I can check. Why? For some reason, Shubham, no. Times 2 is what I got. It's not times 2, right?
No.
Uh, what did you send? What is the answer? You are muting yourself. How will I hear, Ma? Inian, you're not answering.
You
What are you?
okay, so I think now it's working.
Mm-hmm.
But I did never mind, I did send times 2.
It's not times 2, right?
Yeah.
No.
No.
See, what you can do, y by x, right? 6.5 divided by 2, 13 divided by 4. 13 by 4 is your constant of proportionality. Does that make sense? Suppose if I plot this into a graph, let's say 0, 0.
So it would be it would just be 3.25 then. Where you can do the division.
Yeah, 3.25. So if you put it into a graph, what happens? Even if you put it into a graph, it is like this, right? 0,
Yeah.
0, 2, 6.5, 4, 13. Do you see the graph? Do you see the graph? So what do you see? Always do you
I see the
there is a
graph.
0, comma 0 in the graph? Do you see? Then if a line passes through this origin, then the two quantities are proportional. Meaning, what is proportional? They follow a multiplicative relationship. Y equal to k times x means what? They follow a multiplicative relationship. The relationship between the two quantities is multiplicative. If you multiply some number with x, you get y. So, when one of the numbers is 0, the other number has to be 0 too. If they follow a multiplicative relationship, 0, comma 0 will be a point that obliges this equation. So, the table will contain the 0, 0 point. Why? Because they follow multiplicative relationship. If one of them is 0, the other will also be 0. Make sense? Make sense? So whenever
Yes.
you see the point 0, comma 0 in the table or in the graph, right, you can say that the two variables that you're talking about are proportional. Make sense? Okay. Now let's see this one. You are going to tell me, what is the constant of proportionality. I'll give you the y, x, everything. I'm going to describe a problem. Okay, you're going to read it by yourself. You're going to give me the constant of proportionality. Come on.
Wait, so we have to draw like a pictorial, tabular, verbal, numeric, and graphical, and we have to draw
No,
six.
I asked you only for constant of proportionality. You just read the situation. It's a verbal description. Just send me the constant of proportionality.
Okay.
How many days do they drive 7 hours?
Cholima, what was that?
How many days do they drive 7 hours?
It says, right, it averages 7 hours. Joe's family averages 7 hours driving in the car every day. So one day if they drive 14 hours, doesn't matter. On an average, they drive, meaning if you compute it per day, right, for every day, it was like 7 hours. It's an easy one. It's not a hard one.
Miss Priya,
Go ahead, Amma.
after I solve this question and type it in chat, may I be excused to go to the bathroom?
Please, please. Now itself you go. Go. Good job, Nikita. That's right.
What?
Srihari.
Yeah.
Srihari, I want the constant of proportionality. It's very easily. Just give me 1 second, guys. I'll be back. Okay, guys. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Miss Priya.
Hmm.
Wait. So is it how many hours per day? So there's like the thing.
Okay. Srihari, no. Don't. You're overthinking. It's not a hard problem. Jose and his family are taking a summer vacation driving across the United States. Their family averages 7 hours. So, what is a constant here? You tell me. It's a distance, rate, time problem. Rate,
Yeah.
it's a constant. So, how many? They on an average they are driving 7 hours every single day. 7, 7, 7, 7. So, which is a constant?
Oh.
That's it. There is nothing big about the problem. The
Oh.
problem is huge. So the constant of proportionality is what, Johan? What is the constant of proportionality, Johan?
Is it 7?
7, that's it. I didn't ask you a big question. Make sense?
I put 7 as my first answer.
Yeah, now I really want you to fill in this table, meaning fill in the table between x and y values and show me.
Okay.
Let me see.
Wait, so
X
there.
is the number of days. Sreshta, are you getting it? Y is the total number of hours driven.
Yeah.
Miss Priya, are we just writing the tabular?
Yes, I want you to draw the table. I want to see what numbers you're going to put for x and y. I know
Okay.
you're figuring out, okay? I really know you're figuring out. Doesn't matter if you make a mistake. But I want you to figure out rather than me writing it on the board. That's not the way we go, right?
No. Miss Priya,
Yes, ma.
Wait, so for this question, is there like an answer to it, or do we like have to like show a strategy on this one?
No, you can just send both XY values. 2, 3 XY values. Pranav already sent it. That's correct.
Wait, how do I send it?
Just send X equal to this, Y equal to this, X equal to
Oh,
this, Y. What, Srihari?
sorry.
I'll make everything easy, but I want you to send it. So once you do all this, right, you will clearly understand what is proportional relationship.
Miss
Correct.
Priya,
Mm.
can I go to the bathroom really quickly?
Srihari, that is incorrect. Yes, ma.
Thank you.
Srihari, what you need to understand is when you are talking about relationship, one number times the other number should always be a constant. X is the number of days. Y is the number of hours driven, right?
Oh,
So you need to think about and then send.
Miss Priya, was I right?
Yes, correct. Correct. Ma'am. Everybody's was right.
Miss Priya,
Go ahead.
I'm a little confused on what we're supposed to do.
You're going to send me X and Y values. Yes, Srihari,
Okay.
you got it. Pranav, it's enough. I got very many points. You got it right. I understood that you understood and you understood as well. Thank you. Inian, where are your answers? If you're not answering, I will not continue, Inian, because that's mandatory in this class. Every class I'm saying that, okay?
Wait. So, Miss Priya?
Yeah.
So, like, we have to like put an example, or so we need to put an example, right, of it with the right answers?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Good job, Inian. One day, this is days. This is the hours they travel, 7. 2 days, 14 hours. 3 days, 21 hours. Now, what is the constant of proportionality? That is equal to y by x. See, this will be the same for every line. 12 by 3, 7. 14 by 2, 7. 7 by 1, 7. Any questions here?
No.
Okay, let's see this one. You know, okay, this is how I would represent. One second. This is how I would represent this in a picture. How do I represent it as a picture? God, I don't know what is going on with my. Okay, this is how I would represent the situation in a picture. See, 28 hours, 4 days I have shown. See, but every day it's a constant average of 7 hours. The rate is 7 hours per day, unit rate. 7 hours per day. Let's see. When I put a table, in a table, right? See, this is what I wanted you to send. Most of you got it. This is the table for it. Now, if I want to write an equation, right? I would write the equation like this. Okay. Then, if I want to show a graph, right? How would I show it into a graph? How would I show it into a graph? I'll draw the graph 0, 0. See, the 0, 0 point comes in every proportion. 2, 14. 7, 42. 4, 28. See, it's a straight line. It will always form a straight line. If it is a relation, the relationship between two quantities are proportional. This is one quantity, this is one quantity. Then, if you plot it into a graph, it will be a straight line. So, all proportional relationships are linear. Linear means make up a line. Make sense, guys? We are learning a lot. Shiv, are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when you think about it, let me show you the graph as well. Did you
Mm-hmm.
see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yup. So it's always, do you see it in here? See here, this one. 1 day, 7. 1 comma 7. 2 comma 14. 3 comma 21. 4 comma 28. Any questions, guys?
Yes.
Hmm.
So when you go back to the table up there, since the days come, so when you like look at the what do you say? Like, do you know when they write like in the graph when you write something like 29 is X and then comma then Y comes when they write the graph values? Since the days and hours in the same like days is in the X place, shouldn't the days come first? Oh, sorry, never mind. Sorry, never mind. I was thinking the x-axis was the y-axis and the y-axis was. Sorry, I got mixed up. My bad.
No problem at all. Can I move on?
Yeah, sure.
Good thoughts though. Okay, how about this? Now you know how to find the constant of proportionality, right? Let me ask you the constant of proportionality for this table. Let me give you a table and I want you to tell me the constant of proportionality for this table. Send it in chat, no shouting. Good job, Pranav. Good job, Shrestha. Good job, Srihari. You guys all got it. I think, guys, I don't think I need to do this again and again now. Johan, correct. Shiv, correct. Guys, I'm going to move on, please. Indian, I didn't get your answer.
Repeat the question again, Auntie.
What, ma?
Can you repeat the question again?
I just
Auntie?
want you to find the constant of proportionality.
Okay. I did brush yesterday. Today, brush every single day. Not from day before yesterday.
Nikita, that's right, ma. Constant of proportionality is 3. Indian, I did not get your answer. Now, guys, I'm going to help you with the first one. You're going to do the second one. Y by x. Ratio is written as y is to x, right? When they give you 30, y is to x means it can also be written as a fraction. Now, if you have a fraction like this is so bad. A fraction, whole number should be on top, whole number should be down. But both are decimals. I cannot have this. I cannot tolerate seeing this. They have to become nice whole numbers. Nikita, don't switch off your video. Now, how to make them into whole numbers? Multiply by 10, multiply by 10. When you multiply by 10, it becomes 135 by 45. But the problem is, this is not simplified. You see, 3 by 1. I will call this ratio as 3 is to 1. See, the denominator is 1. That means this tells me about a unit rate. This tells me about a unit rate. Because my denominator is 1. 3 for every 1. Make sense? Okay. Now, can you tell me the simplified form of 24.75 is to 8.25? I'll wait. Can you tell me any ratio so messy? Change it to proper numbers, simplify and tell me.
Oh, can it be? Oh,
Srihari, I'm here. Go ahead, Srihari. What is your question?
could it be 1 to 3? Or wait, no, 3 to 1. Yeah, could it be 3 to 1?
I don't know. Send it. Let me see. Johan, correct. Srihari, you have to be careful. The top has to be the top, the bottom has to be the bottom. Can you send it correctly? Sreshta, correct. Ma.
Wait, can you say that again?
The top is top, bottom is bottom. You cannot change it.
Oh, okay, my bad.
No problem. Don't worry about it. I told you, right? This class, you can make your corrections here nicely. Understand things well. Pranav, how can it be? What is that, Pranav? What did you do, Pranav? That's right, Srihari. Maybe Pranav, you got it, but I have not understood, is it? Netra, correct, ma.
If
No,
you
no, no.
just
Educate me. Did you understand? I didn't get your answer. What was your answer? See, there is a 2 decimal after 2 digits after decimal. So what should you multiply with?
100.
24, 75 by 825. But these 2 big numbers, right? Simplify it.
Oh,
You get a 3 by 1. So the ratio is 3 is to 1. How about this decimal? See, when I give you decimal by decimal, you found out the ratio. Suppose if I give you 12 and a half is to 60. What is the simplified ratio? Simplify this ratio. Shubham, it cannot be 1 1. See, again you are giving me work, Shubham. You are asking me to solve fractions, mixed fraction by whole number. I really want whole number by whole number, I'm saying, right? Please don't give me work. Just make 2 nice numbers up and down. I will help you if you want to. No problem if you didn't get it. Sreshta. Numerator is numerator, denominator is denominator. You cannot switch that. But I think you are right. I don't know.
let me recheck.
I feel like denominator is big, right, Amma? How come your denominator became small?
I
Shubham, that's right. Perfect. But you did not simplify. That is simplifiable. Did you see that?
I think I mixed it up.
Yeah, I know. I saw. Pranav. I told you, right, Pranav? Numerator is small. Numerator is 12 and a half. Denominator is 60. So should your denominator not be bigger? Shubham, don't give me work again. You're making me work 12.5. What is that? I don't want to see decimals. Should be nice number by nice number.
Miss Priya, I fixed it.
Sreshta, that you're giving me work again. I don't want to be working with a 4.8.
I didn't send a 4.8.
I'm sorry, Netra. Instead of mentioning Netra, I called you Sreshta. Just now I'm looking at your answer. I'm sorry, ma.
It's okay.
Yours is right. Nikita, right, ma. Shubham, can I help you, Shubham? Srihari, can I help you?
Oh no, I just got the answer.
Got it? See? Nice. Srihari, you're understanding things now?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Now, what is this 12 and a half? 12 and a half is so bad. 12 and a half is 12.5, right? Divide by 60. But I don't want the decimal. Times 10 times 10. So it's 125 by 600. Can be simplified as divide by 5, right? 5 by 120 or wait.
Miss
125
Priya. Oh, my
by
bad.
600, right? Divide by 5. So what happens? 25 by
120.
120. But then 25 by 120 is not simplified. 5 by 24. Did you all get it?
Yeah, Miss Priya.
Yes.
So what do you mean by stop giving me work?
So stop. Okay, I'll tell you.
Wait, Miss Priya, is 1 by 4.4 correct too?
1 by
4.4.
this is what I said. If you give me 1 by 4.4, you're giving me work, right? I have to evaluate. You're making me evaluate further and trying to. I have to make it a nice number. No, right? I want nice numbers from you. You got it? Does it make sense?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Miss
Yeah.
Priya,
Yeah.
can I go to the bathroom?
Please go. Come back quickly. Okay. Now I'm going to give you more constant of proportionality. Can I give you more constant of proportionality? Finding more constant of proportionality. Can I give you guys?
Yes.
Yes.
One more problem at least. We should do one more problem. Let's see. So I hope you all understand the constant of proportionality very well from this class. That's the intent of this class. Come on. I'm going to wait. Okay, I'll just put up the work and I'll wait. Done?
Almost. I got the unit rate. I'm just making it into a normal one.
Yes, ma. Some of you got it, some of you didn't. Okay, wow. Okay, let me see, guys. Yeah, very nice. Okay, very nice. Most of you got it, but there was one incorrect answer. Who was it? Nikita, can you check Nikita? I know that you know Nikita. Sri Hari.
Yeah.
Please don't give me 1 by 4.4. I did explain to you, right? Don't give me work. I really want you to do the work and send it to me. Nikita, good job.
Yeah, I had a typo there.
No problem. TechLearn came into picture. Hey,
What?
Shiv,
Uh-huh.
the problem is this is not 125 by, that was 6 by 125, right?
I didn't type an answer.
Yeah, for the last one I'm saying.
Oh.
That is incorrect, Srihari. For some reason, it is incorrect.
Wait, I'm so confused.
You're confused now. Yes, Johan, that's correct, Johan. Okay, I'll help you. See, it costs $31. See, X is the number of gallons of gas. I will write gallons. Okay, Y is the cost in dollars. So Y equal to KX, correct? Gallons by dollar. What is the gallons? Gallons by dollar. I can't give this as an answer. So multiply by 100, multiply by 100. So 2000 by 3180. So 200 by 318. 100 divided by 109. Right? Now, how do we do this? Relates to 20 gallons. So 20 becomes 2000, 3180, 200 by 318. I made a mistake. Okay. So basically 20 gallons, X is gallons. So basically I want to find out the constant of proportionality, means it's Y by X, right? I made a mistake. Nobody is pointing to me. Y by X means what is Y? Dollar by gallons. Dollar is 318 divided by 200. So 159 by 100 is answer. Make sense? Any questions? So, చేయండి. Okay, next an easy one is coming your way. Okay, come on, guys. What is the constant of proportionality? This is an easy one. Okay, you've done a hard one, so I would like to treat you with an easy one. Let's try this. What is the constant of proportionality? What is the constant of proportionality? What is Y? What is X? You can find.
3. Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Yes, 3 is the answer. It was an easy one, I said. Good. Okay, now let me see, guys. Give me a minute. One second. Let's see. You have to give me a minute, okay? We are working on 4, right? We are working on constant of proportionality. So you will determine your constant of proportionality, or you will determine the rate.
Okay.
How about this? Okay, let me quickly give you hard ones.
Hard
Okay.
ones.
Yeah, hard ones. Last is a hard one. Let's see. Come on, guys, quick. I really want you to do this one.
Oh. Wait, sorry. Was I mute? Never mind. Sorry.
That's okay. Doesn't matter. Go ahead, guys.
Wait, Miss Priya?
I need 2 answers.
I know. Wait, I'm confused on the graph because like when it comes to the y part, which is -10 for the first box, it the max is only like to -8 for the thing.
There is a graph, there is an equation that matches, correct? I gave you a clue. Okay, I
Yeah.
already gave you a clue. Nikita,
I,
Nikita correct, Johan correct. Pranav, which graph Pranav? Did you look at it correctly, Pranav?
Yes.
I really want you to be attentive. Shubham, correct. Netra. Netra, that's correct, Netra. But which graph? Sreshta, correct. Shiv, good job, Shiv. Very nice. Pranav, good job correcting it. Very nice. Can we stop here? We have 1 week of holiday. Do you all know that?
yeah.
I checked the calendar.
Check the calendar always, and we'll see you week after next. And the homework will be only on constant of proportionality. There are 36 problems. Please definitely do that and come. Any questions do you have? You let me know.
Okay.
What question you have? Any questions?
No.
No.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Please complete the 36 question, then come to class. Okay?
Wait,
Okay.
Okay.
I have a question,
Yeah, go ahead.
but like it's unrelated to math though.
Doesn't matter. Okay, you can stay and ask.
Okay.
If I know, I will jump.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye. Enjoy the summer as well.
Wait, Miss Priya.
Yeah, go ahead.
So next week on Monday, is there no class?
Yes.
Okay.
Only the following Monday we have.
Okay, thank you. That was my question. Bye bye.
Sure. Bye bye. Have a nice summer, Srihari. A break,
too.
1 week of break. Yes.
Are you having any plans?
Vacation. Yes. My sister and my nephew are here from France.
France? That's crazy. Yeah, we're
So,
going. Oh, sorry.
no. Go ahead. Go ahead, Shiv.
So we got this new dog,
Mm.
it like 1 month ago or something. So we're taking her to our first trip to Branson, and we're going with some friends.
Wow, Branson is nice. Do you know? It's a nice one. It's a water
I don't
park.
know.
Oh,
Water
you're
park.
not-
We're not going to water park.
Oh, okay. So you're just going to roam around there.
No, mountain coaster and magic show.
Ah, that's good. That sounds
Yeah,
nice. Okay, but
yeah,
that's a good place to go to.
yeah.
Oh, have fun. What is her name?
Sweetie.
Sweetie. Wow.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice name. So
It's a
you're
golden
golden retriever?
retriever.
Nice.
Yeah. Bye, Miss
Bye.
Priya. Have a
Bye.
nice
Have a
day.
nice time with
Oh
good
yeah,
news.
what did I get in the 100 question thingy? Cause I didn't get my grade.
On which one?
The 100 question. I got a 90 on one of them. That's all I know.
Yeah, the other as well I've given you.
I don't know.
You can check later.
Okay. Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye.
Wait, you were saying something?
No,
Like,
no.
like, have fun?
Have fun. Yes.
Okay.
Branson
Thank
is
you.
a new addition.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.